At Axolt, we believe businesses shouldn't just react to demand. They should stay a step ahead. That's why we built tools that bring clarity, foresight, and agility into every decision. See demand for your top products and understand customer buying behavior. With AI models like Holt-Winters and Moving Average, Axolt gives you a clear view of demand. And with one click, turn insight into action. Create purchase orders, manufacturing orders, or adjust stock instantly. Axolt even segments customers by recency, frequency, and spend, so you can target the right buyers with the right inventory. But forecasting is just the beginning. With simulation planning, you can model future demand and run simple what-if scenarios by adjusting key values. Axolt evaluates these simulations against real-time data, instantly highlighting the most accurate forecasts. You can save, compare, and even download results to CSV or Excel in seconds. Axolt also lets you plan proactively, forecast supply and demand by region, use fiscal or custom filters, and identify gaps before they disrupt. Vendor performance is tracked through real-time scorecards, with spend, delivery, and quality metrics at your fingertips. And when stock falls below safety levels, instant alerts let you act fast with one-click purchase orders, manufacturing orders, or stock takes. Full inventory visibility is built in. Across warehouses, locations, and product variants, you can filter easily, track stock aging, and recover value before items go obsolete. Monitor production from raw material to finished goods, track scrap, and improve efficiency. Trends, production progress, and stock movements, orders, returns, and transfers are all clear in one flow. Finance becomes just as transparent. Leaders see income and expenses at a glance, track overdue invoices, and understand cash flow instantly. Forward-looking projections and budget alignment tools make it easy to anticipate needs, adjust plans, and keep strategy on track. And because returns don't just cost money, they cost trust, Axolt shows you the products most often returned and why. So you can fix quality, sizing, or service issues before they snowball. With Axolt, you don't just gain visibility, you gain the power to anticipate, decide, and act faster. From demand to delivery, from finance to customer trust, Axolt brings it all together, so you can run with confidence, today and tomorrow.